Welcome back to CAD Station. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we are going to sketch this part. So let's start our drawing. First of all, new part and OK. So what we have to do, as you can see, this is quite simple as we are drawing in previous videos. First, we draw this base on the top plane. So let's start top plane, sketch and line command from origin to a vertical line, then taper line, then a vertical line till this point and origin. Okay, now go to fillet, fillet this side, escape, fillet this side, and its radius is 25. So this fillet is of 25 millimeter radius. Okay, now so we are going to mention dimensions, smart dimension. You can see this length is of 142, this is of 142. From this end to the this edge means the point distance is 70. So from this point to this line is 70 mm, and this dimension is 90. From this point to this point is 90. Okay, now you can see there is there are two holes. So circle, make hole on the same center point, escape, select these two circles and make a relation equal. Now smart dimension, make its dimension as 16. Okay, now you can see base is ready. We have to extrude it up to this is the dimension 16. Okay, now we have to extrude this part. So control 8, line command from this edge point, okay, now delete this extra line. So you can see this is at a distance of 50 mm. Smart dimension from this line to this line is 50 mm. Okay, now this is of radius 16, fillet 16. Okay, now furthermore you can see it's 45. From the center point to the edge is 45. From this edge to this point is 45. Okay, now just make a circle here, and it is also of dimension 16 mm dia. Okay, now go to circle, make a circle, smart dimension, and this circle is of 50 millimeters dia, 50 mm. Okay, now select these two and make a relation tangent. Okay, select these two and make relation tangent. Okay, now just like this, and little bit more. Okay, now you have to extrude it up to 16 mm. So simple. Features, extrude this contour, extrude 16 mm. Select this contour, why it's not selecting. Okay, control 8. Now you can see it's not match, so again select this and make a relation tangent and stretch it to this point. Now it's completely done. Features, extrude this contour up to 16 and reverse direction. Okay, now you can see your it's ready. We have to draw this circle. So again this face, control 8 and sketch. Circle, find the center point, make, yeah, here. Again make another circle, a smart dimension. This is of 50 and inner one is of 28 dia. Inner one is of 28. Okay, now simple. You have to extrude it first, extrude it on the back side. So its total dimension width is of 42 and it shows the inner extruded part is of 20 and this one is 16. So 20 plus 16 becomes 36 and remaining is 6. So we are going to extrude it 6 millimeters back. Okay, now select this face, extrude and convert into it is. Okay, features, extrude boss base and one more thing, select this and convert into it is. Okay, now extrude boss base and up to 36. Okay, now you can see there is a rectangle cut. So select this face, control 8, sketch, select center point rectangle, find the center point of the circle, yeah, here, and make a rectangle. This sketch is showing this rectangle is 30 millimeter, a smart dimension. This side is of 30 millimeters and this line you can mention it 55 or 60 as you want. Okay, now you can see it shows the cut part is 5 millimeter inside the circle. So you have to features, extruded cut up to 5 mm, 5 mm and okay. Now you can see the isometric view. It's done. Simply change its color. Okay, change its perspective and select these holes and appearance. It's become gray. Okay, now you can see your required sketch is ready. So hope you can understand this tutorial, like the video and subscribe cat station.